Now that the side seams are done, let's move on to sewing the shoulders. Place the shoulders of the back body and front body right sides together. For larger sizes, where the front body might be longer, it's easy to accidentally twist it without noticing. Check carefully to make sure it's not twisted, then pin the shoulders in place. Pin with small, shallow stitches to help prevent the fabric from shifting. Here's a tip for pinning small and neatly: if you hold the fabric while pinning, you might end up taking bigger bites. Instead, lay the fabric flat, place the pin at the 1 cm seam allowance, and gently scoop it through with a slight twist. Give it a try. Just like with the side seams, so with the 1 cm seam allowance, that's about 3/8 of an inch. The sewing distance is short, so it's easy for the fabric to shift. Be sure to sew carefully. Just like with the side seams, trim off any excess seam allowance. Do the same for the other shoulder seam.